A Pitsos glass ceramic electric cook hub, a touch control model with 4 cooking zones, a vitro ceramic cooktop, not induction, and yes, it's a good quality cooktop, but you can very easy to scratch it. You can scratch the glass. We use it on the several days, it a lot of scratches. Avoid dragging pots here. Only use flat bottomed pots for best heat transfer on it. Yeah, the main problem is the scratches. Here scratches and here. Yeah, it's very easy to use, like you can turn it on, choose the panel you need, for example this one, and we can heat it like this. Actually very easy to use. Full heat. We can choose the area what you need to heat. Now is big one. We see all the big or small one. We like it, but the main problem of this cooktop is the scratches.
Yeah.